Welcome back to the fourth video of macro. In this video we are going to learn how to copy and paste using VBA. Before we start this video, let me tell you that we are going to cover different sections like how to copy from one column to a second column, how to copy and paste from one sheet to next sheet, and even we are going to learn how to copy and paste from one Excel file to second Excel file without opening it up. Alright, let's start the video. I have taken some names here from A1 to A5 and I want to put this value on C1 to C5. So the very easy way what we can do is I can simply go to C1 and I can put an equals to and I can give A1 as a reference. I can scroll it like this and I will get the results. Now if I have to do this through VBA, first I have to open the Visual Basic Editor. So you can do that by pressing Alt F11 on your keyboard. You will get a box like this. You need to go to insert here and then module. It's a good practice to insert a module and type the code under the module. Now first I have to define the sub function. I'm going to name my macro as copy paste. Now here I have to write it. So this is pretty simple. Look here. What I need to do, I just need to put the range first where I want to copy it, that is C1 to C3, I'm sorry, C5. I have to close it under inverted commas and then a dot, and then I want the values. So I put it values here equals to, now the range from where I want to copy this, that is A1 to A5 dot value, and enter. Now if I run this code, you see the value gets copied from A1 A5 to C1 C5. This is the easiest way to copy and paste. Now move toward the second thing. Here what we have done is we have just used a column as a reference column and we have put the value to C1 like this. Now we have to actually copy the A column and we have to paste it on C column. For that case, what we need to do is we need to copy the content of A column first. So as of now we know that our data is between A1 to A5. So I have defined the range A1 to A5 and I copy the content of A column. Now I have to move it to C column, that is from C1 to C5, and I have to paste it. So for paste we have to use paste special, and now I have to put the values only. So either I can write Excel paste values, or you can see the result here. You can use your arrow and tab. That's it. Now if I'm going to run this, the value gets copied from A column and it is pasted now on C column. Easy? Alright, let's move toward our next topic. What if I have to copy and paste it from this sheet 1 to new sheet called sheet 2? So it will remains exactly the same like this. The only thing is before range I need to describe my sheet. How? I'm just going to use sheet name, that is sheet 1 dot range, then A1 to A5 dot copy, and I'm going to use the same code here. I just need to mention where I want to paste it, that is sheet 2 dot range C1 to C5 paste special and paste values. Now if I run this code, the values gets copied and it's been pasted to sheet 2 from C1 to C5. Easy. Let's move to a new topic. What if I have to copy and paste from this file to a other file which I have on my computer, but I don't want to open it, or let's suppose I want to open it. So I have created a folder on my desktop by the name Excel. Here the workbook in which we are working right now, it's book 1. I have kept one more book here by the name book 2. It's completely empty. I'm not going to close it. It's open at this moment. I'm just going to minimize it. Now I want a code to copy and paste from book 1 to book 2. Right now, both the sheets are open. What I need to do, I'm going to use this previous code, but this time I have to define my workbook. So I will be writing workbooks. The workbook where I'm working right now is book 1 dot the file format dot worksheets, in which sheet I'm working. That will be sheet 1 dot range from where I want to copy, that is range A1 to A5 dot value. Now I want to paste it to a different workbook which is open. This is most important. If Okay, right now we are making it very simple. Right now, the code which I'm writing here, it will be valid only if both the files are opened. I want to paste it to a different workbook by the name book 2, and I want it to paste on sheet 1, and I want it paste it to range A1 to A5. Paste special. And if you see here, I have write it value. It should be copy. It's a mistake which you should take here. And okay, here it is giving us an error. The reason, if you see here, I didn't close the inverted commas like this. So it's complete now. I'm going to run this code, and let me open the book 2, and here we have our content. Now I have deleted this. I'm going to close this file. Book 2 is empty. Now what I want is, I don't want to open the sheet manually every time if I have to copy anything. In that case, what we need to do, the command remains the same. There will be a slight modification, that we are going to put a line of code through which that workbook will get opened, and the code is workbooks dot open, and then we have to mention the path name of that file under inverted commas. In order to find the exact file name, what you need to do, go to that particular file book 2, right click and go to properties. Here on the location, you will get the file name. You can copy the location from here. You can paste between these inverted commas, and you need to mention the file name. That's book2.xlsx. Again, with this code, that file will open automatically, and then the same code through which the content will be copy and paste on book 2 sheet 1 from A1 to A5. Now the file is not open at this moment. I'm going to run this code. The code has been executed and book 2, the second file, is open, and the code is pasted here. I hope the video is very simple for you to understand. If you have any doubts, do comment or you can reach me through my About section. If you learn something new, do like, comment, and share this with your friends. Thank you.